Since the start of 2023, Nature Scott has been producing a series of case study films about peatland restoration work across Scotland. The reality of producing these films has not always been glorious sunrises and spectacular vistas.
The other challenges, the weather.
Can I just blow my nose?
It's quite difficult when you've got rain dripping down your back.
I'm trying to get to... Very windy. The nature of producing these films means that we are at the mercy of the good old Scottish weather. But once we're out on location, we'll film interviews come rain, sun, wind, or snow. The most critical element of these case study films is probably the aerial footage. Using a drone is really the only way we can see the scale of the peatland restoration work that's been undertaken. But the nature of aerial filming means that it has to be dry, and perhaps more importantly, not too windy. Some of the more exposed and remote parts of Scotland we have filmed in have required multiple visits and careful studying of weather forecasts in advance. And since peatland restoration work is largely completed in the winter months, we often need a great deal of luck to get the optimum conditions. It's a challenge, but something we really enjoy, and we hope that these films can encourage others to get involved with this vital work to help combat the climate and nature crises.